Okay, this is a progress on the leeks. It's the weather. Planting leeks with the roots cut off will actually create growth. So this one is the best survivor. I don't know if I took a video of it earlier when I put it in the bowl, but when I did, it had hardly any roots on it. So the roots are starting to grow out. And you can see some green showing up here. On these, I think these roots are new. There's some tiny, tiny roots here. You can hardly see it, but you can see some light green showing up here. So I am going to keep my eye on this. This one, I don't know, maybe there wasn't enough there to get it going because it hasn't shown any new growth and you don't see any little rootlings coming out. See here, there's at least a couple small ones by my thumb. And here, it's looking nice. Now, the potatoes, I'm gonna have to plant the potatoes today because some of these are sort of disintegrating. I was wondering if these eyes would grow. I think they might, but probably this isn't the best environment for the eyes to grow out. These are looking good. They've got some good new growth, and I'm ready to plant those today. So my leek garden is coming along nicely, and I'm going to try to containerize this one. So grow leek garden in a container. Today I want to talk about taking things that you would normally throw away, like the edges of leeks in this case, green onions, and putting them in a little bowl of water, face up, root side down. Now these leeks are, unfortunately, they cut off the roots, but I believe that they still have the potential to grow into bigger leeks, into plants, and I'm trying it out. Also, these are eyes of potatoes that sort of were left a little too long, and so we cut out the eyes as we're preparing our meal because we would get rid of them anyway. I left a little bit of extra on it, and these will grow into potato plants. I'll take you outside so that you can see some of the results of creating plants, of planting the green onions, planting leeks, planting some Japanese onions that we created, and even potatoes that we put into our garden. So I will take you out there and share that with you now. I'm working on a new project to give away starter plants that are food to people who might grow them for their gardens or even in the planter, so in the little box like this, so that they can eat them. And here we have two things that I am working on growing, and I'm just sharing it with you how it works, how you can take a piece of a green onion and turn it into a plant, or an eye of a potato and turn it into a potato plant.